Good to go?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, as I go down Prince Wales, maybe switch modes and see what each mode looks like. But we'll wait till we get on Prince Wales, or not. What is
Oh, you went that way. Wrong
yeah.
way?
No, this is the right way.
Oh, okay.
It'll loop back.
Oh, okay.
So I can.
Yeah. Looking at the RPM.
See how fast I can go on that. So tracking, I'm going about 70 on the dash right now.
Yep.
72, that's good. I'm going about 80.
That's fine. Don't speed up.
What? No, don't worry. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Hit the up arrow and go to maybe engine load mode, and I'll show you that one.
Okay.
Up arrow, yeah.
Okay.
No? There.
Right. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to give it less torque. It should go down from idle. Well, actually, hold on, if I do this. So now it should be like 10%, or I don't know what it is, but then as I apply gas, it'll go up. And yeah, and this is sitting at about idle, like what, 23? Yeah. So that's with no gas.
Cool.
It's another cool one to try.
Okay.
Try coolant temps, I guess. That one will kind of stay at like 80 or so.
Yeah, so 84.
Okay, yeah. So I'm sitting at about 84. Obviously, if I had just warmed up, it would be less. And yeah. So it's also got some other cool features, but we can't test them right now because I don't have problem codes. You can test that, but it'll say no codes because
Okay. Yeah, there's no trouble.
yeah, you can test that out.
Maybe you can crash and load.
Yeah. I was thinking about just disconnecting my airflow sensor, but I might try it out. Like go into it and see what happens, I guess.
Alright.
Go into that mode.
No code.
Yeah. So if you go back out,
trying to reconnect.
oh, did I lose connection?
It's fine. Now it's working.
Okay, interesting.
You focus on driving. I'll do this.
Okay, fair enough. So what I'll do is I'll get on campus and I'll shut the car off. It's got some really cool features, like if you sit in the menu for X amount of time, it's not sending any codes to the car. So normally it would shut down and the connection would close, but it sends a keep alive every 15 seconds or 20 seconds to make sure the connection stays active. So you can hold this for minutes or hours, and then eventually when you want to read the speed and RPM, you can go back in there, right?
Yeah.
But when I turn the car off, it's smart enough to figure out, okay, the connection is closed, and then I'll show you exactly what happens here.
So tell me more about the protocol.
Oh, the protocol, yeah, sure. Well, as I park, and show you the
park.
yeah. I'm just gonna park over here first, and then I'll show you the other mode, and then I'll talk about the protocol. I'll just go right here for a sec. Don't bother me here. Okay. So, hold on. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. Shit. Trying to reconnect here. Oh. 1 second, sorry. Staying on there? Yeah. Okay, there we go. So try to connect now. It's gonna loop through and it won't be able to connect.
Yeah.
I can fail. So I'll just show you now if I turn the car on, and you want to hit up again. So now it worked, and then we're gonna go just into RPM mode here, and we'll track, and RPMs are working as we can see. And then I'm gonna shut off the car.
No data.
And that makes sense, right? And then so what it's going to do, it's going to recognize, okay, well, there's no data. And then after about 20 seconds or so, it's going to realize, okay, I've lost the connection. And then it's going to kick you back out and you're going to have to try to reconnect. So give that a minute or so. In the meantime, yeah, okay. So if you try connecting again, obviously it won't work. Turn the car back on, we've seen that, right?
So it also had a buzzer and it gives me buzzes, right?
Yeah, well,
Nice.
just nice, feedback.
Yeah.
Protocol, it's UART, but it connects through a whole bunch of different protocols. There's CAN bus stuff, there's I don't know, there's all kinds of different buses. But anyway, that's all simplified because this thing drives back to UART.
Okay. So the CAN bus protocol from the car
converted to
computer system is all
UART.
coming out as a UART, and then
Yeah, and then I process it there.
yeah. So you've code here that processes the UART.
Yeah.
And drives.
Yeah.
The LCD and the buzzer.
Yeah, exactly. So the code takes in there. There's the first 4 bytes of the response is proving what command you just sent, and then depending on what command you have, it's different sequences. So if you want coolant temperatures, that's only an 8-bit response. So 2 hex. That's what you receive, 2 hex. So you gotta normalize that data, right, back into number form. So there's special I don't know, just like algorithms to do that, right? They're not too hard. RPMs is 16-bit. Speed is 8-bit, I think. Stuff like that. Problem code is a little more interesting. There's like separate lines. That was a little harder to debug because I don't have that, but yeah.
All right. So what's like the most difficult part of this project?
Fucking soldering.
Oh, okay.
No, like reverse engineering what the protocol is, right? So you got to figure out how it operates.
Did you use the CLA? The
Yeah,
kind of
hell
method
yeah.
to look at
A
the
bunch, yeah.
protocol.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you use the protocol decode on the CLA?
Yeah,
the
it's,
UART decode.
Serial analyzer, I think
Yeah.
it's called.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Cool stuff.
we'll turn it back on. You should be able to reconnect now. Obviously, they need to be tuned a little bit with the debouncing. Not gonna lie to you, but I mean, beta speed. Well,
All right.
okay. So where am I bringing you guys to?
Just
Back
drag
to
me
camp?
back to.
Okay.